breaking projects and products, which in fact give immense opportunity for investors and as well as affiliate marketers. Of course, we have an own affiliate marketing system that's called Affiliate Marketing 2.0. In fact, we are legally compliant in all aspects for this affiliate marketing thing as well. Then our products are groundbreaking products. If we speak of technology, they are based in crypto and blockchain space and as well as artificial intelligence. And if we speak of products, we have like BTC20 Smart Chain, that's 140 years of mining program. We have our own blockchain based on the exact roadmap of Bitcoin. 21 million of total BTCC supply, 4 years of halving. The mining has been designed in such a manner that, like Bitcoin, its supply will deplete eventually, creating the urge for demand, and eventually we will see, if not in 14 years, maybe in 4 years, we will be able to achieve what Bitcoin has achieved in like from 2009 to 2024. This is all set. This is all done. So you need to be a part of this product. Then we released Boomerang back in June, I suppose, June or July. Boomerang, one of arbitrage trading platform, which can give consistent profit for years and years to come. Why I'm saying this for years and years to come? Because we are not based on markets volatility. We claim profits from the discrepancies in the market liquidity. So irrespective of winter or summer, irrespective of market being bullish or bearish, Boomerang is gonna claim profits. It's only a matter of time when Boomerang will deliver consistent profits. We don't have any challenge from the DApp side. The challenge that we are right now facing is in terms of gas fees. So lots of things are going on to provide maximum trades on Boomerang. And at the end of the session, we'll also have a quick update on Boomerang as well. So stay tuned for the completion of master training. Then nodes packages, almost this month also 70 nodes packages are sold off. More than 450 nodes are live right now on our own blockchain. That's a feat in itself. So nodes packages, these are like, a product that's going to give you generational income. Generational income in terms like not just you, your next generation is also going to benefit from nodes packages. That's why these are the hottest selling packages that we have in our business feed. Then we released our crypto credit card program, one of the most exclusive product that we have. And it has been designed in such a manner that it gives you payment solution, of course, across the world, but we are also going to integrate banking systems into this. That means this crypto credit card give you an equal privilege of having an international bank account. Can you imagine traveling throughout the world, across the globe, and able to use your crypto assets any place, anytime? This is a privilege that you are going to get with crypto credit card program that we have just released. And of course, we are also going to introduce a BTCC P2P program. That's going to happen once we are live with the crypto card application. And then we have also launched Capital 3.0 on 19th this month. That means just a couple of days back. So this Capital 3.0 is a product that has been specially designed to capitalize this crypto bull run. Although we know we have had Bitcoin's halving back in April 2024 this year, still we haven't seen that bullish trend in the crypto market. But after every halving, Bitcoin's every halving, crypto tends to go bullish, and this bull run, it's going to be very, very special. So to capitalize this bull run, Chavez has designed a beautiful product that I'm going to take this in this master training. This Capital 3.0 is going to give you a leverage to grow your crypto assets passively or through affiliate by any means, like 5x to 50x to 100x. That depends entirely on to you. The minimum guarantee offered here is 5x. So these are just a set of products that we have just started with. We have a very, very long journey. And in fact, like this statement says, we are going to write a saga. And for that reason, this is the right time, this is the right opportunity, this is the right platform, and this is the right team that you need to associate with to encash this beautiful opportunity called We Are All Satoshi. I hope this is the brief introduction that you can give to your prospects about all our products, right? If you meet any of your prospect and you need to describe WAAS, We Are All Satoshi, in just like 10 minutes, these are all the products that will give you more confidence. And all the products are very, very exclusive, very unique. Although some are groundbreaking projects, groundbreaking technologies. So be proud of it and market as much as you can. You won't get such products in any affiliate marketing model, especially in crypto and blockchain industry, right? Okay, so now let's get on to our Capital 3.0 very quickly. Let me just switch the presentation. All right. So we are not gonna dwell into the presentation thing. Everybody knows what Capital 3.0 it is, right? I'll just describe in brief what it is, and after that we'll get into the technical things. I'll help you understand all the terminologies. I'll help you understand how the calculation will actually work and that all things. All right. So Capital 3.0, as the statement says, it is an early access to crypto unicorns and AI disruptors. So with Capital 3.0, we are presented an opportunity to participate like a seed investor. Now, what are seed investors? Seed investors are institutional investors and venture capitalists who invest early into a project. There is a syndicate of funds which participate early into a project to capitalize the most from any project. And of course, all the projects require fund, maybe for development, maybe for business building. So projects need fund, and these are funds. And these funds, they invest early into a project to capitalize the most. Now there is a syndicate, there are proper channels, of course, legally compliant channels, and everything is public. So these funds are very, very regulated, and there are fund managers who manage such type of funds. Now Chavez, with his resources, he has been able to grab this opportunity and help us put capital or put seed investments into unicorn projects like the VCs, like the funds, like the venture capitalists, like the seed investors. So here is an opportunity on which you don't have to do any due diligence, because all the part that will be taken care by Chavez and his teams and his funds manager. So Chavez is going to filter out some of the most potential projects which can give us massive returns. And us, like a seed investor, we are going to put our capital into it and we are going to get rewarded for it. So it's very simple. We are going to put capital into the seed investments along with the seed investors, and we are going to capitalize early into a project. All right. So Capital 3.0 is exclusively available on We Are All Satoshi. In most of the crypto bull runs, many unicorn projects are launched. All unicorn projects have a possibility of up to 100x. Now, even people with lots of money, they cannot qualify for this to participate because there is a proper channel, there is a proper syndicate, and it's not possible for everybody to get into that circle. Chavez has been able to because of his resources. In each project, there are seed investors, there is seed funding rounds, and Chavez is bringing this seed funding opportunity in this bull run for us to capitalize. Now, what is Capital 3.0? Capital 3.0 is an opportunity for us available in We Are All Satoshi. Now we are going to take an example of $1,000 over here to help you understand. So with $1,000, guys, please be prepared to take all the screenshots because this all gonna be very, very unique. So with $100, let us assume that you bought a package of C3O, right? Now 65% goes into or gets distributed as affiliate incentives, affiliate rewards, affiliate commissions. So the amount that we are left with is 35%. So 35% becomes your vested capitals. So from now onwards, we are going to call it vested capital. All right. So capital 3.0 package, 65% goes to affiliate commissions. That's gone. We are left with 35%. Usually company uses this capital for their business, right? This is the company's part, the management's part. Over here, it is being provided to us as vested capital. Now, what is vested capital? The amount left after deduction of affiliate commissions. So vested capital. Vested capital now, if compounded at 2% daily, we receive token 3.0 as ROC, return on capital. So over here, you don't get in dollars the rewards, you don't get in dollars, you get in token 3.0. Now, what are these token 3.0? I'll help you understand later on. So over here, if we are considering $1,000 package, our vested capital is $350. $350 if compounded at 2% daily, it becomes 5,000. That is 5x of your original package that you bought in WAAS, right? So 1,000 turns into 5,000, and this will take approx 138 days to grow passively without any allocations. If you straight compound $350, and I'll show you also. So $350 at 2% daily for 135 days. If we calculate, it's going to become 5,000. So this is 5x of your original package. So whichever package you have purchased, maybe the minimum is $100. From $100 to maybe $50,000, 7 packages are available. You start with any package you are comfortable with, and you get 65%, you get 35% as vested capital, and this vested capital, if compounded at 2% daily, it gives you 5,000x or $5,000. That's 5x of your original package. Now you don't get this 5,000 in dollars. You receive token 3.0. All right. Again, I'm repeating, you don't get this 5,000 in dollars. You receive token 3.0, and one token 3.0 is equivalent to 1 USDT. It's a stable coin, and this coin specially has been designed for capital 3.0 only. Token 3.0, it cannot be bought on WAAS or any other exchange. Can neither be sold or on any exchange. It is not available on any exchange. It can neither be transferred to any account. It can only be accumulated through WAAS, that is 2% daily compounding. All right. And it can be swapped to project tokens. Project tokens. Now, what are project tokens? Let's get on to that. Project tokens. When the unicorn projects are launched in the crypto market, the projects are tokenized. In a way, they take it as an intellectual property, maybe to give a unique value to the project, or maybe to capitalize or to have a standard valuation through in terms of this tokens, right? In the pre-launch phase, seed funding rounds they take place, and when the seed fundings they take place, these tokens are allocated to funds, to VCs, to seed investors against their investments, even before the launch of the project. The project is not yet launched in the market, but the coins, the tokens of the project are available for allocations. These allocations are meant for seed investors, for VCs, for funds, right? So seed investors get these tokens in allocations. Now what is allocation? Now let's get down to that. Allocation. Whenever a project is about to be released, especially in the crypto market, in the blockchain industry, especially in the bull run, when the project is about to be released, the investment from seed funds is allocated. That means seed investor, they put their fund into the project, and against this fund, they are provided a deal in terms of project tokens. So against their investment, they get project tokens. In a similar manner, we are also gonna invest in the pre-launch, and we are gonna get project tokens. Now, how can anyone get project tokens? Project tokens can be obtained from token 3.0. At the time of allocation, the deal is provided and the tokens are provided allocated at a very certain low value even before the launch of the project. Example, Solana was available at $0.20 to the seed investors at the time of ICO in 2018. Right? This example we often share in the presentations, right? I hope you understood project tokens and now allocations. Now we are considering a case study for passive investors who are passive. Again, considering the $100,000 example. So with $1,000, the vested capital becomes 350, right? Now this 350 compounded for at 2% daily, it gives you in 30 days around 630 tokens. If we change it to 30 days, although these calculations are we are showing this, these are just for an example for you to understand. So that's 633, right? So in 30 days you will allocate, or you will obtain almost 630 token 3.0. In 60 days this will be almost 100,140 tokens, and in 135 days you will have almost 5,000 tokens. Now if you don't allocate, if you don't utilize these tokens for any allocation, so straight away in 135 days, you are going to compound $350 into 5,000 token 3.0. Although you have your assets in token 3.0, but that asset is valued at $1, right? So you have an asset value of almost $5,000 available to be allocated into project tokens. I hope the simple example is clear to you all, right? 30 days, 630, 60 days compounding. So eventually 5,000 token 3.0, 350, it compounded to 5,000 token 3.0. Now, at the time of allocation, right, 350 is always going to be your vested capital. You are going to get compound on 350. So except for that amount, we can allocate in 60 days, we collected almost 1,140 tokens, right? This is entire thing is just an example for you to understand. There are going to be many extra charges. There are going to be many more changes into this. I'm just helping you understand how this entire thing will work with an example. All the figures, all the numbers are just for an example. So 1,140 token minus 350, that means 790 tokens are available for allocation. Why are we excluding 350? Because you're compounding, that's your vested capital, that is for compounding, so that your compounding continues. So 790 tokens are available for allocation. Let us take an example, like in 60 days, Chavez offered us an allocation. Solana, again, as an example, it's available for allocation. So Chavez will declare the value of the project tokens as well as the percentage or the minimum and maximum value of the tokens that you can put into allocation. This is not always going to be in percentage. This is going to be in values as well, minimum, maximum as well. So that way, whatever tokens are available at your disposal, you will be able to utilize those tokens completely. All right. I'm just taking an example of 20% of your tokens. So 790 is available for allocation. excluding 350 from what we have accumulated so far in 60 days. So in 60 days, Chavez announced Solana at $0.20. And you can invest 20% of your tokens. So 790 tokens we have, 20% of 790, 158 tokens. So with 158 tokens, we can buy Solana coins, or we will be able to swap these tokens into Solana at a value of $0.20, right? So Sol available at $0.20. With 158, we can buy almost 790 Solana. I hope this is clear, right? How much tokens we have? 158 divided by 0.20. So that's 790 Solana. So now our token 3.0 have been swapped to project tokens that are Solana. So 790 Solana coins you are having. Right now, only allocation is available. Solana is not even launched. So pre-launch, we are able to get an early access to the project tokens, and we have like now 790 Solana. All right. What happens after allocations? So now your compounding is still going to continue because $350 is still tapped in and less 158. So that's again continue with the 2% daily. And now obviously you have already reduced the amount. So it's going to take more than 135 days. But you are also having 790 Solana with you. Now you wait for project listing. Now what is project listing? If a allocation was made available to you, project listing is inevitable. That means if allocation was available, the project is bound to launch. So along with the allocation, the project launch will also be provided by Chavez, and he will mention that now it's going to be on exchanges. So what does project listing means? The day when the project tokens are launched, that means the project tokens are available on exchanges to be cashed out in real time. Now these are not just any small projects that we are discussing. These are projects with huge liquidity. And of course, with lots of due diligence and after proper research, only the seeds, they choose a certain projects. So for that reason, you don't have to worry about the liquidity. You don't have to worry about the due diligence. Everything will be taken care of by Chavez and his fund managers, right? So now at the time of the project listing, you have your project tokens that can be cashed out on the very first day. How many Solana you are having? You are having 790 Solana. And I'm just taking an example. On the project listing day, the project tokens will be listed at minimum allocation value or more. Like Solana, when it was launched, released on exchanges, it was at least 0.90. So allocation was available at 0.20 and on exchanges it was listed at 0.90 at the time of launch. So that way already the seed investors, they made money on the very first day. Now what will happen at the time of project listing? Now you have 790 Solanas, right? So it is up to you. You want to sell off the 790 on the very first day, you can. It's entirely your decision. So 790 into 0.90, right? That's 771. And how many tokens 3.0 did you swap? 158. Do you remember that? 158 turns into $711, right? And even if it goes at the minimum value of allocation, so 790 at 0.20, that's gonna give back 158 in dollars, because right now you are swapping on exchanges against the liquidity, right? All right. So let us assume that you don't want to cash out the entire asset in 790 on the very first day. On the very first day, like you cashed out 400 Solana at 0.90. So that's $360. You already doubled your $158 tokens into $360. And the remaining, you are waiting for the right time, or maybe you had an idea like, it will grow. So 200 Solana at 0.150. You were waiting for Solana value to appreciate, and at $150, you sold off 200 more Solana of 790. So that's gonna give you another $300. And 190 Solana still left with you. And while you were waiting for it to appreciate more, the value reduced to certain point, and it again came back to $0.2. So that's $38. So that's total $698 in cash value to you. So 158 token 3.0 got it went to $698. Again, this is just an example for you to understand how this thing is gonna work. There are gonna be lots more information than this, but this is just an example for you all to understand. It is how Chavez has designed this brilliant Capital 3.0, and everybody will be able to make out at least 5x of this. I hope this brings sense. I hope you realize the potential of this Capital 3.0 as a product. Even with 158 coins, you made $698. I'm just taking an example of $1,000. Still, your compounding is going on. Still, you are making, up to 5x. The tokens you utilized were just 158 of 5,000. So just imagine with so many tokens, so many allocations. So this is what gonna happen when the allocations will be available. All right. And this bull run is again very, very special, not just in I'm speaking in sense of Capital 3.0, but in natural for natural reasons also. This bull run is gonna be very, very brilliantly. And if you are not gonna capitalize this bull run, again you are gonna miss. You have to wait 4 years for the next bull run. And of course, with the government's interference into this blockchain and crypto industry, that government have released ETFs. That's like they are taking a cover to capitalize on this crypto and blockchain systems. So there are going to be more regulations. There are going to be more, less privileges in the next bull run. So this is the bull run which all crypto enthusiasts must capitalize. And with Chavez, I think we are in safe hands, right? And this is a brilliant product that has been designed and delivered. I hope this makes sense. Now, for everybody who is having team already under them, under their structure, or maybe who is a natural team builder, who is a leader, so they have affiliate benefits as well. So considering again $1,000 example, over here also the vested capital becomes $350, right? And with 2% daily compounding, here also all the affiliates, they receive 2% daily compounding. So again, in like 60 days, we have 1,140 tokens available, and these tokens are very much available for allocations and everything, like we just discussed the case study for the passive investors. All right. But over here, the advantage for affiliates is they get affiliate commissions. So let us assume that in 60 days, this affiliate marketer, he earned a commission of $3,860 and 1,140 in tokens. So this asset is available in tokens, and this asset is available in USDT TRC20. I'm not gonna help you with the structure and everything. How do you want to structure? What is the strategy for placements and everything? I'm just giving you an idea. So this way, any affiliate marketer, let us assume that he started with $1,000. At one part, he is getting affiliate commissions that can be absolutely withdraw in USDT TRC20, and on the other side, he is accumulating token 3.0. Maybe in 30 days, 630 so far. Then in 60 days, this tokens will be almost 1,140, right? And when he reaches the capping, the 5 facts, 3860 plus 1140, so that's $5,000. And here the package ends. Anyways, through affiliate, through tokens, ROI, compounding, everything, you make 5x of your package of Capital 3.0. I hope this makes sense, right? So this is all about Capital 3.0. And this product, I believe, has been brilliantly designed and it's launched as well. So we are waiting for Chavez. Very soon he will bring allocations as well. So with the first allocation, I think everybody will have more clarity how exactly this all things will work. But if on the back office, if you see, you already have a vested capital section in which a swap button is already available, right? So this is Capital 3.0. Now about the 9-brick credit card, the date has been finalized as 1st of October when we celebrate the first anniversary of our BTC20 blockchain. We are going to release the application of 9-brick credit card, and with that application, everybody will be able to do the KYC and get their virtual cards, and all the sales from the all the pre-sales all the pre-sale buyers will get benefit of 10% bonus available on their virtual card, and that 10% bonus will be instantly available and they will be able to utilize or cash it out in real time. Then on Boomerang, as we noticed that recent development is going on Boomerang, and because of that people have started seeing that notification in which it says you have exceeded the trade limits, right? So their official announcement is already broadcasted, but still I would like to explain. So what the team is trying to achieve is they are trying to achieve multiple trades in a single segment. Like right now we have single trade in 12 hours. So at every 12 hours, a single trade is available. So right now for the 24 hours, only 2 trades are available, 1 trade in 12 hours. And like Chavez had mentioned, after the next maintenance, there will be 4 trades available. But this 4 trades, hopefully, if everything works fine, will be available like in a batch, in a segment. So you don't have to wait every 6 hours to execute a certain trade. So this is what the team has been trying to achieve, and for that reason, almost everybody have seen the notification on the DApp like your trade limits have exceeded. So Chavez has particularly requested everybody to execute limited number of attempts on the MetaMask wallet, because this is very crucial. We are trying to identify the best strategy so that this all could be achieved on the DApp side. And like Chavez has mentioned, after 2 maintenance, we will have 8 trades on the DApp. And if everything works out, this 8 trades will also be available in a single batch. And with 2 more blockchains integration, we will have like almost, like Chavez mentioned, like up to 20 to 25 trades. So everything which had been assured by Chavez in the beta testing, we will be able to achieve. But for that, he needs time, his team needs time. So with that, we can patience is the only key that it can help you with. So Boomerang is gonna progress even if you are desperate, even if whatever your situation is or my situation is. The team is doing their work, so let's allow them to do the work, and hopefully we will see results like already we have. So let's wait until then. And what's more, I think that's all the updates. And okay, now special announcement is right now in almost like in 45 minutes, we are gonna have a special session. So I request all the members who are from the previous spin, I mean before Boomerang, when in May this proof of reserve of this WAAS was started. It was initially a ROI plan, pure ROI plan, and at 1% and 2% daily. But of course, like Chavez realized now, it could not have been sustained. So for that reason, there was a budget which eventually exhausted, and there are people who still have invested amount in the old structure, in the old business. But this entire thing was designed by Chavez, and for the first time, what we had seen was proof of reserve. So proof of reserve was something that has been again a brilliance of Chavez. So what he did was, back then, any income that you had, 30% went to proof of reserve. And also, whenever you will buy a package, you will receive WAAS tokens. So in many old accounts, you will see there are WAAS tokens available. And you will see the proof of reserve, POR wallets also are having values in them. So this proof of reserve was in a way a backup plan if eventually anything would happen to the project. So this is again a brilliant strategy by Chavez, which had been designed in the original project, and even the project collapsed. All right, still in like 2 days, couple of days, Chavez, being the first person who is gonna give back the capital to all and each and every member who are having pending assets over there. So this is the first time any company is giving back the capital amount even after failing on a project. So this is something you should be really proud of. And like I said, I mentioned, like in 45 minutes, we are having a special session in which Chavez is going to describe how he is going to roll out this entire refund process. So please, all the members to whom this applies, who are already having pending assets in the old structure, please join the session. And for that reason, we are concluding this session. We will see you again in 40 minutes in very short time. All right. That will be all from the masterclass as of now. Grace, I will invite you to conclude the session, please.
Thank you very much, Rashid. Excellent presentation and training and wonderful information. So you have it. For those who probably were part of WAAS, we'll see you in about 20 minutes. Let's say the cutoff will be around about December. So if you were in WAAS before December, please come back in about 20, 30 minutes. We will see you then. Thank you all
so much. In almost like 10 minutes.
It's okay. Let's go ahead and close this out.
Recording stopped.
Yes.
All righty. And it should be the same channel, right? The same meeting ID?